Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to convert JPEG and PNG image files to PDF in Windows 11 or 10. For this, you can use either Paint or Photos application. So let me start without any delay. For instance, I have an PNG image and I will guide you how you can convert it in PDF format. So first right click on this one PDF image that you want to convert in PDF and select here open with, choose here Paint or Photos app, then press Ctrl and P keys on your keyboard to open print dialog box. Here you can select printer as Microsoft Print to PDF, that is built-in app in your Windows 11 and 10 PCs. Finally, you can also arrange here size and other things. After that, click on this one print button, then select the location where you want to save the file, name the file such as I have put random numbers 111, and after that click on this one save button. This will immediately save your image as PDF. As you can see, this one is my PDF file I have just created, and I will open and show you. You can see this one image has been converted into PDF. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.